Cordless ratchets provide an effortless way for DIY enthusiasts and professionals to work on their cars or homes. By utilizing a rechargeable battery to power the motor, these tools eliminate the need for manual ratcheting and minimize the risk of tripping over tangled air hoses. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cordless ratchet wrench sets you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Aoben Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. The ultimate tool for your bolt removal or installation needs. With a powerful 12-volt max motor, this electric ratchet wrench offers plenty of torque at 40 feet-pounds. The superior fastening speed of 280 RPM, along with the variable speed trigger, ensures excellent control and precision in your work. No more working in the dark. The LED lighting on the front of the unit illuminates your workplace, while the side lights indicate how much power is left. The backward switch on the back of the head prevents accidental actuation, ensuring your safety while working. The air-cooled motor with strong heat-sinking capability stabilizes the working temperature of batteries for better performance. This ratchet wrench comes with 2 batteries, 1 charger, and 8 bolts, all neatly organized in a compact and organized toolbox. All the pieces are kept in their respective designated places for easy access and convenience. At only $63, the Aoben Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench is a powerful and affordable tool that will make your work faster and easier. Number 4. KingNova Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. Your ultimate partner in automotive machinery, construction, home repair, or furniture assembly. The wrench boasts a 3/8-inch square drive, delivering a maximum torque of 40 feet-pounds with variable speed control, providing output as needed. Say goodbye to miserable cords as you enjoy excellent durability and perfect control of the cordless ratchet wrench. Our package includes 3 extension bars with 3, 6, and 10 inches, as well as 3 extra adapters 1/2 and 1/4 inches for sockets of other sizes. Premium chrome vanadium steel, tempered with our proprietary heat treatment process, allows our wrench to withstand more torque. The onboard LED lighting makes it easy to deal with various dark environments, and the battery indicator predicts the power in advance with the ergonomic soft grip design. Additionally, our wrench comes equipped with 2 high-quality 2000 mAh lithium batteries and a fast charger, taking only 60 minutes to fully charge 1 battery. Upgrade your toolkit today and purchase our Power Ratchet Wrench Set, which includes 112-volt electric ratchet wrench cordless, all for just $103. Number 3. S-Long Cordless Ratchet Wrench Set. The S-Long Cordless Ratchet Wrench Set is an exceptional power tool that is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. With a 12-volt high-spec motor, it delivers a maximum torque of 400 RPM, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. The variable speed trigger provides excellent control, enabling you to adjust the speed according to the task at hand. The wrench set is equipped with a built-in LED working light that illuminates dark workspaces, ensuring you can work with precision and accuracy. The power indicator displays the remaining battery power so you can easily keep track of the battery life. This cordless ratchet wrench set is compact and lightweight, weighing only 1.8 pounds. The S-Long Cordless Ratchet Wrench Set comes with 2 rechargeable 2000 mAh batteries that can be fully charged in just 1 hour. This means you can get your work done more efficiently. The price is $63. Number 2. Kimo Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. Upgrade your toolkit with the Kimo Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set, the ultimate solution for all your auto maintenance, construction, and home repair needs. Say goodbye to annoying cords and loud air hoses with this cordless ratchet that boasts a maximum torque of 40 feet-pounds at 400 RPM, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Weighing only 2.2 pounds with battery, its compact and ultra-slim head design enables you to reach tight spots with ease, making it a must-have for any toolkit. Kimo proudly presents two Kimo batteries with a life expectancy of at least 1,000 cycles, ensuring uninterrupted usage without worrying about dying batteries or batteries that won't charge after minimal usage. The Kimo Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set comes with two 1,000 charge cycle 12-volt 2.0 IH Kimo power batteries, 60-minute fast charge, Kimo BMC case, 7 sockets, and 1 3/8 inch to 1/4 inch drive adapter. All of these features and accessories come at a great price of $89. Number 1. Skil Power Core. Experience industry-leading performance with the Skil Power Core Brushless Cordless Ratchet Wrench, now powered by Skil Power Core 12 lithium technology. With its low-profile head design and superior torque, this 12-volt brushless ratchet allows you to work efficiently even in the tightest of spaces, whether you're fixing an engine or assembling furniture. The variable speed trigger delivers powerful 0 to 220 RPMs, giving you the flexibility to choose between 55 feet-pounds of max torque or 150 feet-pounds of max manual torque. The built-in LED light is perfect for working in dimly lit areas, such as under the hood or beneath the car. Plus, with the Power Jump Charger, you can recharge the battery 25% in just 5 minutes, and the battery lasts up to 25% longer and delivers 2 times the battery life compared to traditional batteries. At $129, this ratchet wrench is a great investment for anyone who needs a reliable and powerful tool for their garage or workshop.